Hello Primary 5. Today we'll take lesson 4 unit 3 area of rhombus. We have two rules to find the area of rhombus. And the first rule is knowing side lengths. Everyone know the property of rhombus like the same property of square. The property of rhombus like the same property of square. Then, what is the property of the same property for them? The square and the rhombus have the same side. Square and rhombus have the same equal side. اللي هو all sides are equal in length. And the square and rhombus have two diagonals. لكن we have different four diagonals between them. The square have two diagonal or equal in length, but the rhombus have two diagonal but different in length. Then if we have a rhombus with known dimension, side and height, then we can find area of rhombus with this rule. Side length time height يبقى L time H. طيب if we have rhombus with known two diagonal يبقى we can use this rule half time D1 time D2. طيب يبقى this two rule to find the area of rhombus. Take care before start answer the question of rhombus due to we have two rule according dimensions of your question. Remember in the area of a square equal half time D times D. For example, find the area of rhombus with side length 8 cm and height is 10 cm. Please just 30 seconds, بلاش 30 seconds, 20 seconds before start answer. Read as question and write أو take care from your dimensions. طيب هنا side length اللي هو البيس أو like side length يعني side length of rhombus 8 cm and its height can 10 cm. Then which rule? This rule or this rule اللي هي base time height ولا half time D1 time D2؟ يبقى base time height. Okay, البيز according البيز equal side length the same يعني the same word. البيز هو side length. Okay. طيب then we are used the first rule اللي هو length time height or base time height the same. طيب السايد length كان 8 سنتيمتر والهايت كان 10 سنتيمتر يبقى 8 times 10 equal what? 80 centimeter square. Fine. Diagonal length of rhombus equal dotted time area divide 2. Diagonal if we want to find the diagonal from this rule. D1 any diagonal يبقى area divide half time D2. طيب D2 area over half time D. Then if we want to calculate or find a diagonal of rhombus يبقى should be divide area over half time another diagonals. Okay? Now from this question the diagonal length of rhombus equal which number time area divide D2 equal what? 2. 2 times area divided 2. Why? طيب half 1 over 2. Half meaning 1 over 2. Okay? Then if we want to find diagonal يبقى 2 times area over D2. 2 times area over D2. Now area of rhombus with length 8 cm and its height 4 cm. طيب area of rhombus find the area of rhombus is length was length 8 cm and its height 4 cm equal what? يبقى length and height يبقى base time height يبقى 8 times 4 equal what? 32 centimeter square. طيب number 3, the area of rhombus 56 centimeter square and its base 7 centimeter. It's very easy. يعني if we have a base or height and area, then we divide. We studied before area over the base or over the height. يبقى 56 divide 7 equal what? Equal 8. Number 4, area of rhombus with diagonal lengths are 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Diagonal. Take care. يبقى we use the next or the second rule اللي هو half time d1 time d2. يبقى half time 6 3 time 5 equal 15. Number D. Area of rhombus of diagonal lengths are 10 centimeter and 17 centimeter is what? يبقى half time 10 times 17. Half time 10 time 17 equal 85 اللي هي دي. طيب. Now we want review about the area of a square or the question of area of a square and area of rhombus. Okay, if I ask you area of a square, find the area of a square. We studied before if the perimeter 20. طيب إن احنا to find the area of a square should be find the side lengths from perimeter. يبقى 20 divide 4 equal 5, then area equal 5 times 5 25 centimeter square. Side length of a square with area is 16 is what? Side length is what? لو كانت الاريا 16 يبقى which number time which number equal 16 centimeter square? ها 4. يبقى then D. The perimeter of a square with side the perimeter of a square with area is 4. طيب يبقى B4 find. يبقى to find the perimeter should be find the side length. طيب يبقى لو كانت الاريا 4 يبقى السايد لينث كام؟ side length 2. 2 times 2 equal 4 centimeter square. Then لو كان السايد length 2 then البريمتر equal what? equal 8 لأن البريمتر of a square هو السايد length times 4. يبقى السايد length 2 يبقى 2 times 4 equal 8 centimeter. If the area 4 centimeter then the side length equal 2 centimeter. Then the side length times 4 equal 8 centimeter. Number 9, area of a square with diagonal 6. طيب you know the difference between the area of a square with non-diagonal and the area of a square of rhombus with non-diagonal. A square have the same diagonal or two diagonal are equal. Then the area of a square with non-diagonal half times 6 times 6 يعني 3 times 6 equal 18. طيب الاريا but الاريا of the rhombus with non-diagonal half times d1 times d2. Now we have just one diagonal d2. Two diagonal of a square are equal in length. يبقى half times 6 times 6 half times 3 times 6 equal 18 centimeter square. Number 10, area of a square is 50 centimeter square. Its diagonal equal what? لو كانت الاريا 50 يبقى 50 its diagonal equal what? Equal 10. How? $50 over half time okay, look at this rule together. لو كانت الاريا 50 over half then each diagonal is what? 10. ليه؟ عشان اهي number 10. Number 11, area of a square 72 centimeter square, then its diagonal length equal what? يبقى 72. Okay. The area of a square 72 over half and the two diagonal divide بقى يعني هي هتبقى 72 over half and divide which number time which number equal the same diagonal هتبقى equal 12. طيب number 12 ال area of rhombus half time d1 time time what time d2 هنا في d2 okay. Now question 2, find the area of rhombus of lengths of diagonal are 10 centimeter and 4 centimeter. It's very easy questions. Half time d1 time d2, half time 10 time 4 equal 20 centimeter square. Now find the area of rhombus whose perimeter is 20 centimeter and its height 5 centimeter. It's very important question and very easy. طب we can find the area of square and the area of rhombus with knowing the perimeter. You should be find the side length. يبقى 20 divide 4 to find the side length اللي هو كام؟ 5 equal 5. Then if we have a side length and height we can find the area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. طيب ال area of rhombus هي equal what؟ area of rhombus هتبقى equal side length time height. اوكي طيب find ال find ال area يلا يا primary 5. Find يبقى side length equal perimeter divide by 4 20 divide by 4 equal 5 ال area of rhombus side length time height 5 times 5 equal 25 centimeter square. This is famous question for units of area which is greater area. Which is greater area in area rhombus was diagonals length equal 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter or area of parallelogram was base length 7 centimeter and height equal 4 centimeters. We have two shape rhombus خلاص وال parallelogram. طيب اوكي we remember together the area of rhombus was known diagonal كانت half time d1 time d2. طيب ال area of parallelogram was known base and height equal what؟ base time height. يلا 2 خلاص هي 1 minute to find answer for these questions. يلا quickly primary 5 try answer. Prepare your note with this lesson or any lesson and try answer and check your answer with me. Now fine. Number 1 أو area 1 equal half time d1 time d2 half time 6 time 8 equal 24 centimeter square. The second shape أو the second polygon كان area of parallelogram base times height 7 time 4 equal 28 centimeter square. Now which is greatest area? Area of what? Area of parallelogram ولا area of rhombus؟ هنا 28 centimeter square وهنا 24 centimeter square. Then the area of parallelogram is greater than the area of square. Which is greater area? Area of rhombus with diagonals are 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter or square with diagonal is 14 centimeter. يلا 2 minutes to find this question. Okay, but before start answer, remember your primary 5 in the area of rhombus with now diagonal length يبقى half time d1 time d2 لكن the area of a square with the same diagonal equal half time d time d. Find area of rhombus بعدين the area of a square and compare between them. Fine. area 1 اللي هي ال area of rhombus كانت half time d1 time d2 half time 12 times 16 equal 96 centimeter square. Number 2 الاريا of rhombus كانت half time of a square كانت half time d time d. Then half time 14 time 14 equal 98. يبقى الاريا of which number is greater يلا يا primary 5 مين بقى؟ 98 اللي هي الاريا of square ولا 96 الاريا of rhombus؟ ها يلا يبقى الاريا of square is greater than the area of rhombus. Okay, I don't answer because I want everyone concentrate with me. The area of square greater than the area of rhombus. The next question, which is greater in area? A rhombus was side length is 9 centimeter and height equals 8 centimeter, or the area of triangle was base length 14 centimeter and height 9 centimeter. طيب before start answering primary 5 remember with me the area of rhombus was known the side length and its height هي side length time height. طيب والarea of triangle with base length and height half time base time height, half time base time height. Fine. Sorry. يلا start answer. Okay, fine. Area 1 اللي هي area of rhombus كانت length time height 9 time 872 centimeter square. الarea 2 كانت area of triangle equal half time base time height equal half time 14 time 9 63 centimeter square. يبقى area what it's greater يعني area 1 اللي هي الرامبس ولا area of triangle؟ ها area of rhombus is triangle. This is the last example for this lessons, but before finish this lesson remember this rule very well. ان الاريا of rhombus هي side length time time height and الاريا of square كانت half time d time d لكن الاريا of rhombus half time d1 time d2. We have to rule to find the area of rhombus. Take care before start answer for dimension of question. Thank you for good listening primary 5. I hope everyone can understand.